Straight hair, straight A, straightforward, straight path. I don't cut corners, I make a point to be on time. Head of the student council, I don't black out at parties. I jam to Paul McCartney. If you ask me how I'm doing, I'll say, well, I was adopted when I was 2. My parents spoiled me rotten often. I ask myself, what did I do to get as far as I've gotten? A pretty boy walks by my locker. My heart gives a flutter, but I don't dare utter a word, 'cause that would be absurd behavior for President Perfect. Nah, 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 no. I can't risk falling off my throne. La, 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 love is something I don't even know. Straight hair, straight A's, straightforward, straight boy, President Perfect, that's me. One night, my friend stayed over. We laughed and drank and ordered something. About him drew me in. What? It's totally platonic. That night was so exciting. His smirks were so enticing. Hours speed by like seconds. Then what happens is iconic. He takes a sip, I bite my lip. He tells a joke, I nearly choke. He moves my hair, I sit there blacking out for the first time. Next thing I know, I lose control. I finally kiss him, but oh no, I see a face in my window. Then my brain starts to go, nah, 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 no. You can't risk falling off your throne. La, 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 love is something you don't even know. Nah, 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 no. You can't risk falling off your throne. La, 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 love you don't even know.